In this video, I want to briefly show you how the profile tool works in QGIS. So we start by installing the right plugin. We search for profile and then profile tool. First of all, you need to add a layer. In my case, it's easy because I only have one layer in my project. And we click for the location of our profile. And we end with right mouse button. And here you can we look in the picture here, and then it's also shown on the map. The location is shown on the map, as you can see. You can use the picture, save as, but there's a good chance you are interested in the data behind it. So in this case, we paste it in Excel, and that's it.